Hey everybody, long time no vlog. We're on our way to camping. Reed's driving. It's gonna be a fun and exciting weekend.
Let's hope so.
I hope so. We're taking Reed's giant van.
Hopefully it's not too wet.
Yeah, hopefully it's not too wet. I don't think I saw any rain in the forecast.
I saw some yesterday, but I don't know if they changed that.
Yeah, so we'll see. It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be with Mariah and Sarah and Noah. So come along on our fun camping adventure journey thing. Yeah. By the magic of television, a lot's done and set up. So, okay, here's Reed's truck. It was filled with all the things. We still have a little bit to do, but this is our side. There's Mama Rara. Yeah, we are. There's Kona. He just keeps getting tangled up. Noah's over there. And then we have another tent. We have a fire pit. Then this is our food station. There's Mariah. What was that? Yeah, we're camping. Look at us. But I say that we're camping. We're very bougie. We're bougie campers. You ready for this?
If you say so.
I say so, because look at this. We got trunks. We got water. We got this like cooktop stove thing. We have Chipotle chips. And we got a fridge. And this cracked me up. Little teeny tiny baby coffee pot. What is this, a coffee pot for ants? So yeah, we'll keep you updated. All right, I'm vlogging.
No, I wasn't saying that. I'm saying like the lights.
Oh, yes. Very cinematic. Party lights. There's Kona. Oops. Konana. What's his name? Konana. What's his name?
Nice Kona.
So, we had burgers for dinner. It was delicious. And now we're playing a game of Skippo in the rain. Holla.
No one's literally in the rain.
Yes, but he has a raincoat and boots, so he's fine.
Yeah. Are we all in it?
Hi. Just act natural.
That's natural.
Want me to do it again?
Very cute.
I'm going to
Looks like
ask
we
you this.
might be clear for most of the night.
Good.
You want to see this?
So cute.
I'm going to want to see this.
Well, good morning. It's raining. And our tent is dripping in water. So, woke up to water just dropping on my head. Fun times. You can see, like, back there, see that puddle? Yeah, that's where my head was. But yeah, today we're hopefully gonna do some fun outdoor activities, but we'll see. I looked at the forecast though. Rain is supposed to stop here just in a little bit, and then I think we're in the clear for the rest of the weekend, hopefully. But yeah, Reed slept through the night. I did not. But other than that, so far so good. Check in with you later. You're so goofy. This is breakfast.
Let's make it best case, scenario for him.
And look at. He's like, could I please have some BACON? Please, oh please, oh please. I'm extra cute today.
Every day.
Yes. Oh, the good boy. Yeah, it was a good boy, Kim. Well, I never thought I would live to see the day, but I now have a fishing license.
How's it feel?
I feel empowered. Also rugged.
You gonna catch fish?
I mean, maybe.
You
I
gonna
don't know.
take it off the hook?
I don't know about that. One step at a time. Let's start small. I got a license. So stay tuned for fishing.
So now that it's twisted around, you take the end. How does it keep? I guess I don't have it caked. Squeeze on.
I didn't take it out of here. Why'd they take it out of
So now you
here?
take your end.
You ready to fish? Sure. I'm nervous. I don't want to fall in. I don't know. There's a whole like school. What the?
You gotta let it go. As you cast, let it go.
Watch out, no, I don't want to poke you in the eyeball.
Ooh. Shh. Shh.
Free fishing.
No, stop.
No. Why didn't you catch a fish?
Bite it. It's hot. Uncle Reed caught what? Oh my gosh, I missed it. I was looking at Kona. Oh my gosh, Uncle Reed. Aw, little baby.
Look at Uncle Reed, he caught a fishy.
Aw, it's a baby.
Help him unhook it. Wanna look at the fish, Noah? Reel it up. Reel it up, Noah.
Oh my gosh, I can't believe you just caught a freaking fish. Woo.
Noah, you gotta reel it up. Look at the fish, Noah. Uncle Reed's holding it.
No, you are.
Touch it.
Touch it.
Nuts.
Wee, I touched the fish. Goodbye, fish.
There you go. That's better.
Goodbye.
Ooh, watch where you're throwing that thing, man. Almost got on the loop.
I got it. I got that all on film.
You gotta shorten your line, bud. There you go. Good
All
job.
on film. It's on the vlog.
All right, try again.
You recorded it?
Yeah, I recorded it. Good kiss!
Good
Oh, yeah, I
job.
missed it again. I'm just missing everything.
What's the button? Let it go when you throw. Ready, 1, 2, 3, go! Oh, you gotta
Well, Uncle Reed's trying to teach you. Keep it there, keep it there. Keep it there. Let's see. He caught it. He caught it. He caught it. He caught it. Real. Oh, I thought he did. My bad. Oh.
Some seaweed.
Whoa, hello.
Good job.
I really thought he had it. My bad. The fish looked like he was trying to nibble it. Right, Kona?
Oh, he went too far.
Good boy, Kona.
on the end of it, so it's like,
Yeah.
Come on.
So we're prepping dinner. These are potato butter onion packets that we're gonna put into the fire. And then we're gonna also have brats and dogs. And also,
of course.
obviously. And not a sponsor though. And
Maybe one day.
who knows? The world is our palm tree. But yeah, I'll show them going on the fire too. I'm good now. Go ahead. Yeah, I'm rolling. Let's go.
Sure.
Yes, I'm sure. Put it on. Ooh. Ooh. Ah. Yee. Content. Content.
Ready?
Might as well, right? Yay. Well, we were all excited about how to make the pockets. I forgot to record the finished product. But it was delicious.
Yes, it was very delicious. It was nice and they were Yukon Gold, so they were like extra creamy and
Yes.
delicious.
Yep. And now we're just hanging out by the fire. Gonna play a game of Uno and maybe make some paradise. Bug flies in my face.
Or s'mores.
Or s'mores. Okay, we've made it to the final day. Sad because we have to pack up and go home. Slept better last night. Didn't wake up to rain, which was great. And now I'm eating breakfast. Here it is, Nutella with strawberry toast. But yeah, it was good.
Rotate it, rotate it, rotate it, rotate it,
turn it.
turn it. Rotate. There you go.
See how it gets roasty toasty.
All right,
You're
I think
ready?
you're done.
Okay, don't touch the metal pole.
Now lift it up.
Don't touch the metal pole.
Hurry, 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 go to mama. Go, hurry, 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 go to mama.
Nope, don't move. Leanne's
That is a s'more.
This is a s'more. Can I eat it? Are we vlogging?
We are vlogging.
So Auntie, rate your s'more.
I want to see. Oh, good job. Yeah, woo. I want to see your first bite. First bite of s'more. Whoa. How is it? Yeah, it's a s'more. Look at that face.
Look up. Both have the front foot.
Yummy, yummy. And just like that, it's over.
It's over.
Yep.
We had a great time though.
Yes, we did. This was my first time camping. I don't know if I told you guys that, but my first time camping. Oh, something else that happened is like we were about to leave, a bird pooped on me. Luckily it wasn't like a huge chunk of poop, but it still was a chunk of poop.
It's no fun.
But it is what it is. I guess it's camping. I had the whole experience, getting rained on, getting pooped on, you know? But yeah, thanks for coming along on this journey. I'm sure we'll see you again, hopefully, super soon.
Hopefully. We may have a surprise coming up in September.
Yes, I'm so excited. But stay tuned. Love you all.